All right, I'd like to spend a few minutes to discuss our elective class offerings here available at Northview. Freshman students at Northview have 16 electives from which to choose from as part of their ninth grade schedule. These electives are typically offered as semester classes, either first or second semester, or both semesters, as well as a few full year electives to choose from as well. We'll start off here by looking at our semester electives available for our ninth grade students. Art 1 is a prerequisite for all of our other art classes that students may be interested in throughout high school. That includes digital media and photography as well as 2D art. Those are a few of the other art classes that we offer at Northview, but as mentioned, students would need to successively complete Art 1 prior to taking these art classes. Intro to Business and Graphics, Video, and Coding are a couple of our business-related classes. And something to note regarding these classes are that they are only offered here at Northview for our freshman students and therefore wouldn't be available for them to take at Centennial. While not required classes or prerequisites for any further business classes, students interested in them would be strongly encouraged to take these during their time at Northview. Intro to Construction is offered in grades 9 through 12. However, it is a recommendation and can be a prerequisite for some classes in additional construction-related classes at high school for students. Intro to Foods, Fashion Merchandising, and Child Development are a few of our FCS electives available at Northview. While Foods is offered in grades 9 through 12, it is highly recommended prior to taking any further culinary courses that students may be interested in. Please note on this as well that Fashion Merchandising is another elective only offered here at Northview for ninth grade students. And then our final semester elective available for freshmen is Argument and Debate, which would be a good option for students interested in pre-law, mock trial, writing, and communication. Here are our following electives available as year-long courses for freshman students. So these are electives that are offered for the full year. So Intro to Engineering Design is recommended for students interested in STEM, that's science, technology, engineering, and math. And for those students who have also completed Algebra 1, as this would be a math-heavy class. Students successfully completing this class with a C- or higher will also receive 3 college credits through DMAC along with their 2 high school credits. This is what we call a concurrent class. Beginning next year, the 2023-24 school year, we have a couple new offerings for freshman students. AP Computer Science Principles, as well as Web Design. These are offerings for students considering careers in information technology, web design, cyber defense, computer science, or engineering. Both those are full year electives. They do require completion of Algebra 1 as a prerequisite. Northview offers 9th treble clef and 9th bass clef choirs in our vocal music department. Students are required to be in choir if they would want to enroll in a show choir. Ninth grade band is available in our instrumental music department, and students would be required to be in instrumental music in order to enroll in co-curricular jazz ensembles. Finishing up here, we have several modern language electives for ninth grade students to select from. Spanish 1 and Spanish 2. We have French 1 and French 2, or students have the option to also take Chinese 1. While modern language is not a high school graduation requirement, It is strongly encouraged for students to at least complete a minimum of 2 years of that same modern language for post-secondary enrollment. Course descriptions to all these freshman electives can be found in the QR code that I have attached to this video. That would lead you to the Ankeny course description guide. You can also find that posted on the Ankeny School web page as well.